Do you sometimes take life too serious? Everyday structures limits you and you still hold on to it? Like your umbrella when it's pouring. But what if this rains get even more? It's the wildest, the most craziest rain you've ever experienced, and you realize the umbrella doesn't hold what it's promised to. You are already soaked, completely wet. How wet do you want to get to finally throw away the umbrella and just feel the water drops running down along your skin? It's cleansing you, and maybe you even want to start to dance in the rain. Wow! Do you know how lucky you are? Next time you are overwhelmed, too serious, just change something. Start to laugh at yourself and be thankful that you can enjoy life in all its variety. Yes, it is preciously in the most turbulent moments that life reveals the full joy and bliss to you. Are you ready to let go of the umbrella?